Alright guys, this time we're looking at a milk crate that I just recently got done building here. It's not fully finished. I still need to do some insulating foam along the bottom just to keep everything kind of secure. I was able to fit about 29 of the fiberglass tubes in here. Base down there's got the plywood, so that way it has a sturdy base. And yeah, for those that don't know, even though a lot of people have been doing this for years now, you can just pop off the bottoms and they'll fit right in there. It's pretty nice to be able to use them for something, because when you're getting 4 of these tubes in a kit, it really adds up. So I know a lot of people say not to make milk crates and stuff because, you know, they're dangerous, and I get that. But when you're trying to do sometimes on the cheap and they give you these tubes, you might as well use them for something. And where I set mine up are far enough away that even if it would explode out, it wouldn't be a danger to anybody. So, but I built another one that I used last year, and so far so good. I haven't had any issues with it, but yeah, I figured I'd let you guys know what I've been up to here. It's gonna be going to the Bada Boom demo that's coming up this Saturday. From when this was posted, it'll be this next coming weekend, Saturday. So that should be pretty fun. So hopefully that'll be a good time. Hopefully the rain holds off. Ends up being a rip-roaring time. So figured I'd let you guys know what I've been up to. You know, we're coming down to the wire here. I know it's only, what, 2 months away now. Well, not even to July 4th. We have less than 2 months. But gotta start getting stuff planned out, right? So thanks for watching, guys.